Welcome to this tutorial on the SmartMagic template, a template based on the Smartset software. This is a template that allows us, in this case, to make videos about Santa Claus. We could also make other videos for children, not just about Santa Claus, but, for example, documentaries. We have plenty of useful options that we can vary. First, I want to make a short introduction about the Shotbox. It allows us to work fast and configure our template for different programs. Here are the camera presets for the program, and we can record the camera presets that we want. We have actions that are shortcuts, for example, to show the frame with a fade in or a fade out. We can show it and hide it. We can drag and drop actions like play to play the actor. We just drag and drop this here and it plays. Pages allow us to use, for example, full screen videos or text that fades in or fades out. Also, credits. We have a playlist that affects the screens here. We can play videos here as well. We also have scenes, the virtual set, full screen 1, 2, or 3. We can also add videos or a playlist here. Now we're going to move to the set features and the elements we have on our virtual set. First, we have a desk. We can vary the position of the desk, move it forward, backward, left, right, etc. We can rotate it freely. We also have items on the desk. Books, scrolls, pens. We're not going to use these in this demonstration though. We also have a screen here. We have different frames and easels. Screen 1 has this golden frame. Screen 2 has a wooden frame. Screen 3 has a papyrus frame. Screen 4 has a golden frame similar to the previous one. The last screen has no frame, it's more of a floating screen. We can also scale the whole frame, screen, and easel using the global scale feature. Make it bigger or smaller. You can also scale the elements independently, making a small easel and a huge frame, for example. We can, of course, move the frame and easel freely, just like the desk earlier. We're going to put this somewhere more natural. We have ceiling lanterns here in the general shot. You can see them hanging from the ceiling. We also have wall lanterns, as you can see. You can make the elements visible or hide them if necessary. Here, you can see that the right wall looks a bit overexposed, but we can modify that. We can also change the color of the walls. We have some presets here. Or you can modify the red, green, and blue to get it to the color you want. We can modify the floor color in the same way. Like dark red, for example. Now we're going to modify the lighting, making the set brighter or darker. We also have light coming from the fireplace, which we can modify. With intensity light CN1L, this light here, we can make it brighter or darker. Intensity light CN2L coming from the same left wall far from the fireplace. We can modify it like this. On the right wall, intensity light CN1R, we can modify from 0 to 0.5. And it's this light next to the stove. Let's make it a bit darker. Intensity light CN2R, this light far from the stove, we can make brighter or darker. Moving to the set window particles, we have sparkler that makes sparks, for example, coming from the fireplace. It's freely movable. Let's put it somewhere here. We can change the intensity of the fire, making it huge or small. We have the flashlight intensity, which controls the flicker of the fireplace. We can also put some fog here, which in this case is purple, but you can freely choose the color of the fog and the intensity. Over here, we have a stove. We can modify the steam coming from the stove, the speed, and the amount. At 2.0, it's at the maximum amount. We can also change the speed of the steam. Now we are going to make a small video demonstrating how all this works together. We begin with some aerial images of Santa's workshop. We bring in the text. Zoom in, text fades. We change to another camera preset. We move again. We bring in the frame and change the camera position slightly. We make this video play on the screen. Back to the general shot. And now let's show some ending credits. Brainstorm Multimedia is the developer of this software, and the Universitat Politecnica de Valencia is also helping with the development of this template. These are also some of our other partners. Let's fade out on our credits and go back to Santa on our virtual set. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're happy to help. You can also see other videos on our YouTube channel showing examples from other partners and tutorials of other templates. If you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.